Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic that many of you have been asking about, multi-level marketing plans. Specifically, we're going to discuss the binary and generation plans. Which one is better? Let's break it down in simple terms. First, let's talk about the binary MLM plan. This plan is like a teamwork approach. You build two legs in your downline, a left leg and a right leg. It's about balance and support. On the other hand, the generation plan is more like building a family tree. You have a group of people on different levels, and you earn based on the generations of sales. Now, let's look at the pros and cons of each plan. The binary plan encourages teamwork and balance. It's easier to understand and maintain because of its binary structure. But it might require you to focus more on one leg to maximize earnings, which can be challenging. In the generation plan, you have the potential to earn more, especially when you have a deep downline. However, it can be more complex to explain and manage. Plus, it may take longer to see significant earnings. So, which plan is better? The truth is, it depends on your goals, your team, and your preferences. In the end, it's not about which plan is universally better, it's about which one aligns with your vision and the strengths of your team. Do your research, talk to people with experience in both plans, and make an informed decision. We hope this video has shed some light on the binary and generation MLM plans. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, success in MLM doesn't depend solely on the plan but on your dedication and hard work. Stay tuned for more insights on our channel. Until next time, take care.